In today's class, we will be solving a few problem sums based on expressions and special products which are of level 3. The first sum is about to factorize a given expression. So let's do that. Now I will take the fifth term and I will move towards left, and that I will take as now second term. So it will be now x square plus 2ax, and then I will take a square, and then rest of the two terms which are 2a plus 2x. So x square plus 2ax plus a square, that resembles an identity that we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So it is in that form that we have on the right side of that identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it will be, so from both the terms what we can see here is x plus a is the common factor, and what remains is x plus a again from the first term. So it will be x plus a here, and from the second term it will be 2. So these are the two factors of this given expression. Now the second one says that x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. Now if I rearrange this way, x minus 2 plus 1 by x, and that is equal to 0. So what else we can do is x can be written as root x and then square of that. And from the third term can be written as 1 by root x and then again whole square of that. And minus 2 can be written as 2 root x multiplied by 1 by root x, right? So this root x in the numerator and root x in the denominator will cancel each other, and what will remain in the second term is 2 only, or minus 2 only. So this can be further written as root x minus 1 by root x and whole square of that, because it resembles the identity a minus b whole square. So we have written in the form of a minus b whole square, and that is equal to 0 there from the given equation. So it can be further written as root x minus 1 by root x. If whole square is equal to 0, then that will be also equal to 0, x the single term or single factor, root x minus 1 by root x. So it can be further written as root x is equal to 1 by root over x, and then if I take the square values of both the sides, so by squaring what we will get is it will be x is equal to 1 by x. And what we need to find out is x to the power 100 minus 1 divided by x to the power 100. And what is x? X is equal to 1 by x. Now in place of x, if we write 1 by x and then to the power 100, and then here we have 1 x to the power 100, and 1 to the power 100 is 1, and in the denominator we will have x to the power 100. That means finally it will be 1 divided by x to the power 100 minus 1 divided by x to the power 100, which is equal to 0. Now let's move on to the next question. Here we have, what is the quotient when x cube plus 8 is divided by x square minus 2x plus 4? So let's divide that by following the long division method. So here we have x squared term, and in the dividend we have x cube. So if we want x cube from x square, then what we have to do is we have to multiply this divisor by x. So if we do that, then x square will become x cube, then minus 2x will become minus 2x square, and 4 will become 4x. Now the normal rule of division, the long division method, so here it will be minus, here it will be plus, and here it will be minus. So x cube and minus x cube will cancel each other. So what will remain is, here from here we can see we have 2x squared term plus 2x squared, then from here we have minus 4x, and here we have 8. Now this is our new dividend and this is the divisor. So in the dividend we have 2x square, and in the divisor we have only x square, quotient is 1. So from x square, if we want to get 2x square, then we have to multiply the divisor by 2. Now if we do that, it will be 2x square, then it will be minus 4x, and then 2 when it will be multiplied by 4, it will be 8. Now again the normal rule of long division method, so it will be minus, here it will be plus, here it will be minus. So this 2x square minus 2 square will cancel each other, minus 4x plus 4x will cancel each other, plus 8 minus 8 will cancel each other, and there will be no remainder. Remainder value will be 0, and this will be the quotient value. Now in the next question, this 2x plus 1 by 2x is equal to 3. That condition of that value is given, and based on that we need to find 16x to the power 4 plus 1 by 16x to the power 4. So it can be further written as 4x square then whole square. So 4 square means 16 and x square and square of that means x to the power 4. So the second term can be written as 4x square and then it will be whole square of that. Now this is the identity a square plus b square, but here the value that is given is 2x plus 1 by 2x is equal to 3. That means it is in the form of a plus b. That's why we will consider the first identity. So here 4x square in the numerator and 4x square in the denominator will cancel each other. And now in the first term we have 4x square plus 1 by 4x square, and that can be further written as 2x then whole square of that and 1 by 2x and then whole square of that, and then we have whole square of that a plus b term, and here we have minus 2. Now again it is in the form of a square plus b square, and for that we will be using again this first identity. So it will be 2x plus 1 by 2x a plus b whole square and minus 2ab, and then that was itself was in the form of a plus b whole square in that term. So square of that identity, and we already have this minus 2. Now 2x plus 1 by 2x, that value is given in the problem statement, which is 3. So it will be 3 square, and here this 2x and this 2x will cancel each other. So what will remain is minus 2 and then whole square of that, and then we have this minus 2. So if we simplify further, then it will be 3 square means 9, 9 minus 2 7. So it will be 7 square minus 2, that means 49 minus 2. So it will be finally 47. Now as question number 5, we have 496 multiplied by 492, and that is equal to x square minus 4, where it is given that x is greater than 0. Then find the value of x. On the right side we can see we have this term x square minus 4. So x square minus 4 can be further written as x square minus 2 square, that means a square minus b square. And we know this identity that a square minus b square is what? That means if x square minus 4 can be represented in this format, then by using this identity we can easily solve or you can easily map. Now if I look at the left side, what are the two values which are given? 496 and 492. And what is the difference between these two values? 4, right? 496 and 92 here. So 4. And if we divide that 4 by 2, then it will be 2. So what we can do is from 496, if we subtract 2, then it will be 494, and with 492 if we add 2, then it will be 494. So 494, that value I will take here as a reference. So 494, with that if we add 2, then we will get 496, and from 494 if we subtract 2, then we will get 492. And on the right side I am writing as x square minus 4, which was given. So 494 now if I take as a and 2 if I take as b, then can't I write or resemble this as a plus b, and here it is a minus b, and this is x square minus 4, that means it will be x plus 2 and x minus 2. That means we can write this as, now if we compare this both the sides term wise, then if we compare x plus 2 with this term, the first factor rather, then it will be 494 plus 2. That means, and also if we compare this x minus 2 with the second factor that we have on the left side, then it is 494 minus 2. That means by comparing both the sides of this equation, we can conclude that the value of x will be 494. nothing else. Now the next question again we need to factorize the given expression, so let's write that first. Now to simplify this expression, the two identities that we need is a plus b whole square, which is an a minus b whole square. So if we resemble this identity with the expression that is given, then here we can see that we have 2xy, we have y square, but that x square term is missing. But if we had that x square term, then easily we could have expressed, or we could have used this identity, and those three terms we could have represented as a square value of summation of two terms. So to use the first identity, from here if we add x square term in this given expression, then it can be written as x square plus 2xy plus y square, and then since x square term we added, which was not given, so we will subtract the same term minus x square, and then rest two terms plus 2xz and minus z square. So at least the first three terms can be written as x plus y and then whole square of that. And from the rest three terms, if we take minus 1 common, then they are looking like x square minus 2xz, and then here it is z square. And again it is resembling the second identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the last three terms can be written as, first three terms x plus y whole square, and last three terms can be written as x minus z and whole square of that, right? So now again this x plus y whole square minus x minus z whole square, this again resembles this identity a square minus b square, where x plus y itself is a and x minus z itself is b. So if we follow the third identity, then it can be further written as, and if we simplify a little bit, then it will be 2x plus y minus z, and the second term will be this x and minus x will cancel each other, so it will be y plus z, and this will be our simplified answer. Now in the next question and the last question of this class, here we need to find the value of 6a minus 1 by 2a, where this value is given or this condition is given. So 36a square, that means it can be written as 6a then whole square and plus 1 by 4a square, so it can be written as 1 by 2a then whole square, and that is equal to 31. Now here it is a square plus b square, so a square plus b square can be written as I said, but since finally we need to find the value of 6a minus 1 by 2a, that means it is in the form of a minus b, so this time we will be using the second identity. So if we do that, then it will be 6a minus 1 by 2a and then whole square of that, and then plus 2ab. So 2a means 6a and b means 1 by 2a, and that is equal to 31. And 6a minus 1 by 2a whole square, and if we simplify this, then a will cancel each other, 2 will cancel each other, so what will remain in this, in the second term on the left side, is 6. So if we take that on the right side, then it will be 31 minus 6, which is equal to 25. So if we can further write as 6a minus 2 by a whole square of that, and that is equal to 25 means square of 5. So we can say that 6a minus 1 by 2a, that value will be actually 5 or plus minus 5. So this is how we simplify this type of problem sum. I hope this class was meaningful to you. With that hope, I end today's class. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.